excited for the journey ahead. उसी बात का डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है क्योंकि फर्स्ट गेम जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट किया उससे मुझे अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस मिला और सेकंड गेम परफेक्ट सिचुएशन था वहाँ पे टू विन अ गेम फॉर द टीम बट या दैट टाइम ऑल्सो इट वाज नॉट द वे आई प्ले एंड आई गॉट आउट रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड विद दैट बट एंड इन द थर्ड गेम ऑल्सो अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी था आज भी विकेट्स वेर फॉलिंग फ्रॉम वन एंड to hold one end and try and play till the end, but couldn't do it. I think that's two things I'm really keeping in mind. How do I build from here? But yeah, that's how you learn and move forward. I've always been batting the same way as I'm batting right now. But yeah, after I came to Mumbai Indians 2018. Things started changing a bit. I got to know what's my responsibility is, how do I go about my game, how can I take it one step ahead. So that's when I started practicing even more, talk to all the players who knew me really well from last 5-6 years, and I'm really happy with the way things are going. And talking about the strokes, I think I've been a Mumbai boy, so whenever you grow up in Mumbai, the types of wicket you get over there in club games and in domestic cricket, they are very challenging. So there you automatically have to think what strokes you have to play on those kind of wickets, and the same thing I have been carrying to international stage as well, and I'll be doing the same thing, just trying to keep things simple, following my routines, what process I do before the game, during the matches, what I think during that time. Just want to keep it simple. I only have one word for him. Whenever I see him bat or whenever I meet him, I only call him a showstopper. So showstopper is a man, I mean, whom you love seeing and who's the main, I mean, who loves everyone to have an eye on him. So whenever he bats, he's that way, and I would love to see him remain the same. He's batting brilliantly. His attitude while batting is brilliant. He's worked very hard on his fitness, and it's really good to see him doing so well, and I'm really excited about it, and we're really looking forward to see him in the T20 series. I think he's been doing it now and then for us in Mumbai Indians also. He's got a lot of confidence from there. I still remember first game of this season which we played in Chennai. It didn't go his way, but the way he bounced back, the way he was supported from our team management, I think that was really nice to see. And when he came back with a man of the match performance. So that's how it is, where for the franchisee when he plays and he gets so much support, and same culture was here as well. He's playing his first ODI. It was a lot of support from full team management, all the players on the field, and it was really happy. I was really happy to see him bowl so well. There was a little bit of dew as well. Wicket was not that helpful for the bowlers, but yeah, he extracted a spin really well from the wicket, and I'm really happy for him. I think, sir, the game remains the same. There's no change in the game. You play against any team, any level. You just have to go out and do the same things. I keep things really simple. What I do in the nets, what I do in domestic cricket, what I do in the nets, same thing I try and reflect when I go in the game. Be it IPL, be it an international game. I just like to be myself. What has given me name? It's my process, my routines, and how I have been myself. So I just like to keep things really simple and just go out there and enjoy. You must have seen I just like to run when I get an opportunity to bat. So I'm really excited and really enjoy that moment.